Hi families, I wanted to show you a wonderful resource using books that the students use in class. Most of the students know it as their baggy books, and they do know which baggy book they were reading last. I apologize, I do not have that record with me here at my house. So if your student doesn't remember, and if you need help knowing where to start, please reach out to me individually. Right here, you're going to click on this link, and it's the Reading for All Learners books. These are the books that the students used to take home. So, like the second graders would recognize them from when they're in first grade. Kindergartners currently take them home, but we use them in class. So, Reading for All Learners has offered during this time free digital access to all of their books, which is fantastic. It will take you to a screen that looks like this, and then it shows you each set. So, like set one is like the red books the students would read. You click on the book, so like set one, book one, and this could look very familiar to a lot of you. Um, just showing you the book as it clicks open here, you use the arrow page. This is just some review at the front for sounds, and you move to the next page. And right here, again, these are leveled depending on the student's ability, but these are the new sounds that the students will be looking at. These are the new words, so they practice reading them before the story. And then this is the title of the story. So you can see this is the very first one. It's very basic. If you are helping support your student as they read them, it even gives you prompts here at the bottom where it says like, they did a good job. These are some comprehension questions. The students read these independent for the most part in the class, or sometimes they read them with buddies. My rule is the kids have to read the book at least 3 times before they can move on to the next book if they're working independent. But if you are being involved in reading with them and you know that they read it fluently without any mistakes, then you can move them on to the next one. So, story. Like I said, this is a very, very basic one. And there you have it. This just shows you all of the books that are in that particular set. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go back to the main menu. So some of like my students are working in some higher ones. This is just another example here. This is set 5, book 2. These are the green books. And you'll see as you turn that it has more advanced word practice that they read prior. Again, comprehension questions, but you'll see that the passage is much different. This is a great resource to use at home because it's scaffolded, so they get more difficult as the students read forward. I just can't emphasize enough how much I am grateful that we have this resource, and I hope it's a resource that you will take advantage of. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, happy reading.